Hello guys, welcome. In this video, let's see how to reset Beko Dishwasher in the easiest way. Before getting into the video, I am on a journey to reach 5,000 subs at the earliest. So it will help me bring you more tutorials like this. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To reset a Beko Dishwasher, follow these steps. First, turn off the dishwasher. Locate the power button on your Beko Dishwasher and press it to turn off the appliance. If your model does not have a dedicated power button, simply unplug the dishwasher from the electrical outlet. Next, wait for a few minutes. Allow the dishwasher to sit for about 5 minutes. This waiting period helps to clear any temporary glitches in the system. Next, turn on the dishwasher. After the waiting period, turn the dishwasher back on by pressing the power button or plugging it back in. Next, select the reset cycle. Depending on your model, you may need to select a specific reset cycle. This is typically done by pressing and holding the start-stop button or a combination of buttons like a program and a start for a few seconds. Refer to your user manual for the exact button combination for your specific model. Next, confirm the reset. After selecting the reset cycle, the display should indicate that the reset is in progress. Wait until the cycle completes. Next, check for error codes. If your dishwasher was displaying an error code before the reset, check to see if the error code is still present after the reset. If it is, further troubleshooting may be required. Next is the dishwasher run, a short wash cycle to ensure that the dishwasher is functioning correctly after the reset. These steps should help you effectively reset your Beko dishwasher and resolve any minor issues it may be experiencing. Thanks for watching till the end. Thank you.